Let's take a look at how to start a Google Meet video conference. The one thing that's great about the Google Meet video conferences is that once you start one, you'll be given a URL, and that URL is very unique to your video conference, and it can be used over and over again. First thing you do is open up a web browser and go to meet.com, meet.google.com. Make sure that you're logged in under pps.net and click Join or Start a Meeting. Click Continue. You'll be asked if you will grant permission for your microphone and camera to be used, and go ahead and click Allow. And you have one last screen that will confirm that your meeting is ready to go. The URL here, noted here, as well as up in your URL bar, is your URL that you can now distribute to your classroom. You can copy and paste this, put this into classroom assignments, and students can use it during your classroom hours. Clicking on the Start Meeting button will, of course, start the meeting and allow other people to join. You're presented one more time with information on the URL as well as dial-in options. You can copy this to your clipboard and include this in emails. But by now, of course, you've probably included the URL in your Google Classroom. The basic layout and options for Google Classroom are pretty straightforward. You have your microphone, which you can turn on and off. Your video, which you, of course, can also turn on and off. And your button here, which will hang up or dismiss the video conference and end it. Up here, you have the number of participants who are currently involved in our Google Meets. And of course, right now, for me, it's just myself. And we have a chat box where I can keep, where students can chat with me or with other people in the meeting. I can click on this button here to present my screen. So perhaps I now have another tab open and I'm going to present another screen to my students. I can easily do that by clicking on Present Now. And it'll ask me if I want to present my entire desktop screen or just a window. And that's as easy as it is. Google Meets allows you to create one Google Meet URL that you can use over and over again for both classroom hours as well as online help and support to your students.